maximize our gold. Welcome to this week's episode as we pay a keen focus on how to do your compost system and how to do composting. So take a keen look at our green waste, and this has come direct from our kitchen. These are some cowpeas, these are some lemon covers. But when you think about it, what does this waste all comprise of? It comprises of carbon, because these are living plants, once were. And now what we want to do is return them into the soil. So this is our wonderful, amazing machine. I just love it. This has to be the most valuable machine that we have here in the nursery, because it shreds every little thing, even sticks, for all the green materials that we have here. And I'll show you how. It runs on direct electricity, so you just plug it into your socket and it will run. These are sticks, and this machine can also shred sticks. So this is where we put all our waste, and this is where we're going to spread the new layer of waste. You spread this. This is all now organic material. Even this paper, you know, trees are part of organic matter. And just to show you how we've been cooking it, I'll ask you to just focus onto this area. And I don't know if you can see the steam coming out, but it gets to up to 70 degrees hot. And at the moment it is quite hot. So you can see how well it's cooking. This is grass, different leaves, some of our kitchen waste that is cooking here. And this will be really rich organic matter for our greenhouse and also for our garden here. This is the section where we show you what it means to have good compost. And all the compost that we are making from our food waste comes right here. And as you can see, number one, it serves as mulch, and mulch controls the evaporation of the water. And as you can see, the food here, the onions here, are doing well, and we have some tomatoes here, and of course the big purple cabbage. But all that we are doing is that over time we're just going to be using compost, so that our soil is rich in compost, rich in manure, but most importantly, there is nutrients that are going to be used by the plants. So this is why compost is so important. This is why your soil needs to be rich in nutrients. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you get notified for the next videos coming up. And stay tuned to Meteor Alliance.